Hello, these are the exercises for section 4.1. Fuel efficiency of Prius. So the histogram below shows the distribution of gas mileage in miles per gallon from a random sample of users who drive a 2012 Toyota Prius. So how many 2012 Toyota Prius drivers were sampled? So we come over here and we look at where this top of these bars are and how they correspond to this vertical axis. So there's one there, there's two there. This one goes a little bit above 6, but doesn't go all the way to 8, so that's going to probably be 7. This one again goes to 2, and that one goes to 2. You add these up, so you have 10, 14. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2, which are 14 drivers were sampled. Which bin has the most common miles per gallon? So the most common miles per gallon is going to be, the ones with the most common miles per gallon are going to be the ones with the highest bar. And therefore, it's going to be this class right here, this bin. However, that's going to be including 50 miles per gallon and go all the way up to 55 miles per gallon. We don't include 55 miles per gallon because 55 miles per gallon will be in this next bar of the histogram. So we don't know what they're measuring here. Maybe they're doing it to the nearest miles per gallon. So then this bin would be 50 to 54. Or maybe they're doing the nearest tenth of a miles per gallon. And then that bin would be 50 to 54.9 miles per gallon. However, since we don't know what they're measuring, I'm going to just put this bin as an interval notation, including 50 miles per gallon, all the way up to, but not including, 55 miles per gallon. So which bin has the least common miles per gallon? That's the one with the shortest bar. And that bin corresponds to the bin that includes 40 and goes all the way to, but not including, 45. What percent of 2012 Toyota Prius drivers in the sample got at least 55 miles per gallon? So remember, 55 miles per gallon is in this bar, and then above that is going to be at least 55 miles per gallon. So we're going to look at these two bars, and there's 2 plus 2, there's 4, but we want the percent. So we have to go through and have 4 out of how many we sampled, which is 14, which is approximately equal to 0.29, which is 29%. What is the shape of the distribution? So when you look at the shape, it has a peak in the middle, and then it has small tails on both the left and the right side. And so this would be a symmetric distribution. Okay. You could have called it bell-shaped, but typically bell-shaped distributions have a little more gradation from the peak.